Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. Didn't know that love would change ya, and I woke up to a stranger. After all this time I thought that I knew, but when I was no debating. In today's video, I wanted to sit here and share my current favorite skincare products. These are products that I recently picked up and started trying out, as well as products that I have been using for a while. In case you guys don't know, I do have acne prone skin, as you guys can probably see. I do experience hyperpigmentation. I experience dark spots. No, my skin is not perfect. Yes, it is okay. The products I'm going to be sharing with you guys today have definitely helped me overcome my skin concerns, or are helping me on the journey to overcome those skin concerns. So if you guys are interested in seeing the products that I have been using lately on my skin that have been making a difference, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below. We are growing and glowing, okay? We just hit 16K on this platform. So I hope you guys are ready to join the family, to grow with us, to glow with us, literally. And make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before we get started, I did want to say that I will link all of the items mentioned in today's video down below in the description box. So make sure you guys check out that description box. For direct links to these items. They will be affiliate links. So when you guys shop through those links, your girl gets a little coin. So if you guys are not interested in, you know, helping your girl earn some coins to operate Costa Kensthetics, okay, to pay these bills, that is absolutely fine. Feel free to go ahead and search these items on Beyonce's internet on your own. But if not, the links will be down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I guess some background information in case this is your first time stumbling across my amazing YouTube channel. I do have acne prone skin, and I have been documenting my entire acne journey on my YouTube channel. So if you guys are new here, I will go ahead and link that playlist up above as well as down below, so you guys can go back and see the progress that we have made, okay? As I mentioned earlier, no, my skin is not perfect. Yes, it is okay. I encourage everyone to love their skin, to feel beautiful in their skin, no matter what skin concerns they are going through, no matter what skin concerns they have gone through. Our skin is beautiful no matter what condition or what situation it's in, and I want you guys to actually feel that. I want you guys to actually exude that, and that is something that I have been, you know, building up the confidence of along this acne journey. So it's not just a physical journey, it's also a mental journey, it's an emotional journey. So yeah, but let's get into these products, okay? So first up, I have been loving this CeraVe healing ointment. I saw the girl speaking about this, and I see people use this product in so many different ways. So some people use it like as a moisturizer, so they'll go ahead and put it on as their last step to like lock everything in. But I love this product right here to use around my mouth, okay? I am a black woman, and I feel like we experience hyperpigmentation everywhere, okay? It's absolutely normal. No matter what part of your body, you are prone to experience hyperpigmentation. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise, okay? So I experience hyperpigmentation around my mouth, especially in colder weather. So, you know, when I'm in New York in the winter time, I need to make sure that I give around my mouth some extra TLC. So I use this healing ointment right here around my mouth. So whenever it is colder outside, I do experience a lot of dryness around my mouth. So during my night skincare routine, I take this healing ointment and I apply it around my mouth as well as on my lips. And I feel like it makes such a difference. It just like gives me a new layer of skin. It just smoothens out the area. So if you guys are experiencing like any dryness in your skin, whether it's seasonal, whether it's all year round, give this healing ointment a try. I know this video was about skincare, okay? Well, skin on the feet, okay? But I use this product on my feet as well. I go ahead and I apply this to my feet, and I put socks on and go to sleep. And babes, if you want to experience soft feet on your sheets, I'm telling you guys, lather this under your foot. And you don't need a lot of this product. A little bit of it does go a long way. Lather this on your foot, put some socks on, go to sleep. And I promise you, when you wake up in the morning, you're going to feel like you have brand new feet. So depending on where you need this on your body, try it. If your feet are dry, try it there. If your face is dry, try it there. If your elbows are dry, try it there, okay? But wherever you have dry skin, I'm telling you guys, try this CeraVe healing ointment, and you will thank me later. Next up is a product I have been using for a while. If you guys know me, if you guys know Kendra, if you guys know Kensthetic, you guys know that I do not use makeup wipes. And y'all probably like, girl, so how do you take your makeup off? I use an oil cleanser. This oil cleanser right here is big, okay? This is a dermalogical pre-cleanse, and when I tell you guys, if you're looking for any oil cleanser that is going to make it super easy to remove your makeup, okay, this oil cleanser has been my favorite. It is so amazing. So what you do is you take this product on dry hands, you pump it in, and you apply it to your makeup. And it feels weird because you don't wet your face before you use this oil cleanser, because it's an oil cleanser, so you're using the oils to remove your makeup. But this breaks down my makeup super easy, like literally in 2 minutes. Mascara off, eyeliner off, liquid matte lipsticks off. It literally gets everything off, and I absolutely love it. I have tried other oil cleansers, and I feel like I always have to go in with like a second or a third round to make sure that everything is off. But this oil cleanser right here, she gets it done in one job, okay? So I absolutely love this. If you guys are still using makeup wipes, put them down. They cause wrinkles, they cause our skin to age faster because you're pulling and tugging, and get you a good oil cleanser, specifically this Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. Ooh, next up is a product that the girls were raving about, and Kim started raving about it, and then it went on sale. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna pick it up and try it out, and I have been loving it, okay? This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. So at first I'm like, y'all see this bottle right here? This bottle was like 90 cash. I don't know if y'all can really see how small this bottle is. Like, it's literally the size of my nose. Like, the size of my nose. 90 cash. Ulta had these for 50% off for one of their beauty promotions, and I went ahead and picked 2 of them up, and I am absolutely in love. I feel like when I use this night serum, I don't experience as many breakouts. I don't experience as many whiteheads. Like, my skin is smooth. Babes, I don't know what they put in here, but this stuff is freaking good. So if you have the means to get this, I'm telling you guys to get it. Whenever I see it on sale, I will be sure to post it in my vlogs, or to post it on my community page or my Instagram at Kensthetic_. Make sure y'all go ahead and follow me. But yeah, this is something that I'm only getting on sale. I'm only getting on sale, okay? And speaking of sales, Sephora's spring savings event is coming up. No, this is not sponsored, but it could be, okay? So if you guys are interested in any of these products that are available at Sephora, which is a majority of them, then make sure you guys save them to your carts and come back and shop the links down below to get 20% off if you are Rouge, 15% off if you are VIB, and 10% off if you are a beauty insider. If you guys are neither of these, make sure you guys go ahead and sign up. I will have a link down below for you guys to sign up for Sephora's Beauty Insider program, so you guys can shop and save money during their spring savings events. And yeah, I just wanted to put that here before I forgot to tell you guys, because that is coming up real quick, and I need my girls and my boys to be prepared. I need carts ready. I need cart information stored, so that once your day opens, you can go ahead and cash out and make sure you get everything that is on your wish list for the spring and summer season. So I picked up this moisturizer to try it. Once again, this was a recommendation from my sister Kim. This is a Paula's Choice Barrier Repair Moisturizer with retinol. So I was using a moisturizer from my esthetician previously, and that ran out, and I needed something quick, fast, and in a hurry, okay? So I went in Sephora and I picked this up, and I absolutely love it. It's super lightweight. A little bit of it does go a long way. It claims to be a light lotion, smooths and hydrates, and visibly firm skin, and targets all signs of aging. I feel like, I don't know if it's just me, I don't know if it's because it black to crack, but I feel like I have not experienced a lot of aging in my skin yet. Let me find some wood to knock on because babes, your girl is pushing 30, okay? And she looked the freak good. Somebody told me I looked 19 the other day, and I said, you ain't have to gas my head up that much, okay? But I've been loving this moisturizer. It's so freaking good. It does have retinol in it, but it has a small percentage of retinol, so it is safe to use every night on your skin. I'm in love, okay? I am in love. I'm in love. So comment down below, let me know what your favorite moisturizers at the time are. I don't think I'm going to gravitate away from her, but I am open to try other moisturizers. So comment down below and let me know what your current favorite moisturizer is for your skincare routines. Speaking of retinol, I have been trying and loving this Dermalogica Dynamic Skin Retinol Serum. It has 3.5% retinoid complex and squalene, and it is so friggin' good, okay? It has a small percentage of retinol once again, so it is safe to use on your skin every night. However, I don't use this product on my skin every night. I use it every other night because I utilize the whole skin cycling methodology where you basically rotate the products that you use each day for different purposes. So certain products are for aging, certain products are for dark spots, certain products are for X, Y, and Z, depending on what your skin concern is. So I say all of that to say I use this serum on my skin every other night. I don't use it every night, but they claim that it has a small dosage of retinol, enough where it's safe to go ahead and use this on your skin every night. I did notice that since I started using this, the texture of my skin is way smoother, so we love that. And retinol also helps with skin aging, so it's a preventative product to use so that, you know, as we get older, our skin does not age as fast as it wants to. So if you guys currently don't have a retinol in your skincare routines, I'm telling you guys to get one, and specifically this one right here, okay? This one right here. And just so you guys know, quick little skincare tip, retinol is supposed to be a dark yellow color. So if you get a product that claims to be retinol and it's white, like this wall behind me, that ain't it, okay? That is not it, sis. Go ahead and return to sender because they played you. The next product that I want to share is a product I have been using for over a year now. And if you watch my videos, if you watch my vlogs, if you follow me on Instagram, you have heard me rave about this product so many times, and it's for a reason, okay? This is the Topicals Faded Serum. This stuff right here is so good. First of all, it's black owned. We're gonna start there and we're gonna initiate the conversation there. It is black owned, woman owned brands, and their products are so freaking good. So this is the brightening and clearing serum. I use this on my skin during my nighttime skincare routines whenever I don't use retinol, because you're not supposed to mix this product with retinol. So make sure you guys know that and make sure you guys follow that. So this product is formulated with so many different ingredients that help target dark spots as well as hyperpigmentation, including koic acid, tranexamic acid, melatonin, niacinamide, licorice root, and azelaic acid. So if you have dark spots, if you have hyperpigmentation, I'm telling you guys right now that you need this serum right here. It's sold at Sephora. And it's good, okay? I don't know if y'all can see how slim and trim this one right here is. She's soon done, okay? She is soon done. And that should be all of the explanation and evidence that you guys need to know that you need this product right here in your life. It's so freaking amazing. So if you guys have picked this up and tried this out because of me, comment down below and let the girls know that this right here, they need it. Okay, this one right here, you need her. Yeah, you. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, no, my skin is not perfect. Yes, it is okay. I do still experience breakouts at this point throughout my journey because, you know, I'm trying different products. Girl, I've been out eating. It's just a lot, okay? I still get breakouts. So whenever I have a breakout, I use this product right here, and this helps get rid of her within 48 hours, okay? This is PCA Skin's acne cream. This stuff right here is so good. So I use it as a spot treatment. So wherever I have a breakout, like I have a breakout right here, I go ahead, just take a little bit and I put her on, and within 48 hours, she responds, okay? She responds and she lets us know, it's okay, I got it. Like, I'm gonna get the job done, duh. What else am I here for? So I love this stuff right here. I've been using this for years, and I don't go through it quickly because I use it as a spot treatment, which means that I just take it and apply it on the spots specifically where it has to go. So if you guys still experience breakouts, definitely check this out. It is formulated with benzoyl peroxide, so that is the main ingredient that helps to target pimples, to help target breakouts. So if you are looking for a cleanser or a spot treatment to help with those skin concerns, make sure it is formulated with benzoyl peroxide, because that's what you need to make sure she is effective and going to get the job done. Next up is a cleanser I have been really enjoying. This is Dermalogica's Special Cleansing Gel. I don't know what they put in here, but this stuff right here is amazing. amazing. I've been using this cleanser for some time now, and I definitely have noticed that this cleanser helps with the texture of the skin. It just helps the skin just feel bouncy and moisturized. Like after I wash my face and I let it air dry, my skin feels so freaking refreshed, like so clean. I don't know what is in here that gets the job done so well, but I love this cleanser right here. So if you're someone who has acne prone skin or even a regular skin, okay babes, if you do not experience acne, if that is not in your realm, you can still use this cleanser, and I promise you, you are still going to see amazing results from it. I've heard so many people rave about this cleanser that I'm just like, if you haven't tried it by now, go ahead and try it out. And in Ulta, they do sell the travel size of this. So if you're like, I don't want to splurge and spend 50 cash, or I don't even know how much this is now, child. But if I don't want to splurge and spend all of my coins at once, you could go ahead and get the travel size, see if you like it, and then go ahead and get the big body blends out the Pathfinder. But I'm telling you guys are going to love this cleanser right here, because this is some good stuff. Last but not least, one of my skin concerns-ish at this point in my life is aging. You know, we're getting older, and I feel like it's important to take preventative actions to make sure that our skin does not age as much as our ID, okay? We do not need to look our age. Who said that? Who said you're supposed to look your age? Who said that? So with that, one of my concerns is aging around my eyes. I'm someone who's very expressive, so I feel like I did develop like wrinkles and dark circles around my eyes at, I want to say younger age, but an age that's younger than I thought I would have experienced these things. Either way, I have been using this product right here. This is the Osea Ocean Eyes. This is a serum that helps with crow's feet. It helps with dark circles. It helps prevent wrinkles. It is just so freaking good. So it is a roll-on product. So this is how the product is let out, and you just go ahead and roll her under your eyes, on the side of your eyes, on top of your eyelids if you need to. And I take my ring finger and I just pat it in, and boom, my eyes are ready to go to sleep, okay? So if you guys are looking for an eye serum that is going to help prevent the formation of wrinkles, or even if you are a, you know, woman of a particular age, that's how it should be said, okay? If you are a woman of a particular age and you already experience wrinkles and you're like, you know, I want a product to help dim things down, definitely check this out. It is a little pricey. I think it's like $70, but I'm telling you guys, it is worth each and every cent. So those are the skincare products that I have been loving at the moment, that have been helping me along my skin journey to, you know, clear, healthy skin. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you guys learned some things along the way. If you guys have found any product recommendations throughout this video, comment down below and let me know if you guys plan on picking any of these products up, if you guys currently own any of these products, and if they are in your Sephora cart to check out during the spring savings event. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before you guys head out, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know your favorite product from this video. What would you be interested in based on your skin concerns? What are your skin concerns? Let's go ahead and chat down below. This is a video that I want to do more often as I try out different skincare brands or different skincare products. I definitely want to share them with you guys so you guys can see, based on my experience with acne prone skin as a chocolate girl, a dark skinned girl, a black woman, what my experience with these products are. Because baby, all these products on the market, not everything is for us, and that is okay, okay? But before y'all go ahead and spend y'all money, I want to be able to give you guys a review, my thoughts and my opinions. So I hope you guys enjoy this video as well as future uploads that I will do like this. And yeah, until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Tell me, was it all a lie? I'm confused. Then you say what I want to hear, 'cause you know it's gonna get me here every time I say that